water tea. Do you know why? Do you know why? I can show you. Egg, water, soda, juice, vinegar, and coffee. Egg cells are like a pea. Show me a pea. These are all the liquids that we put in the cup. Now let's get started. First, water. I love water. Like that. Close it up. And coffee. Emma, could you help me? I don't love coffee. Mommy and Daddy drink coffee. And apple juice. Emma, could you help me? I love apple juice. Apple juice is my favorite. And soda. I don't want soda. My mom don't let me drink soda. Nana, could you help me open it? Thank you. Bubbles. Thank you. And vinegar. I don't like vinegar. It's yucky. Mama, could you open it for me? Thank you. And what are the powdered eggs in the cups? First, you gotta be careful with the eggs. Now the coffee. Now the apple juice. Now the soda. Oh. And we did wait. Bye. We did wait for one day.
The next day.
We're back. Say hello, Belly. Hi. Hi. We're back. There's water, coffee, juice, soda, vinegar. First, let's take out the water. Water first. To take out the egg, you just need to clean it. And water's good for your body. This one is cleaner. This one is clean like a pea. It's disgusting. My mom and my dad drink coffee, not me. Make sure, grown-ups, your kids will not drink coffee. I'm just trying to clean it. Yucky. Now let's check the juice. This one looks dirty, not like the soda or the coffee. Now let's clean it. Ew. Nasty. So yuck. Now let's check the soda. Ew. Soda. It's gross. Soda. My mom don't let me drink soda, or my dad either. This one looks different, like golden. Do you know why you happen? You get your teeth dirty, clean it. Once you're done eating, you got to clean your teeth, but you go to bed. This is the last one. Vinegar. That's so bouncy. They don't got the teeth out. It's so bouncy. It's so bouncy. Bounce, 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 bounce. Now let's put it back. We can't play with the bouncy egg forever. The bouncy one will crack on the table. Vinegar is acidic. Wow. And vinegar don't got the seed cell in it. Let's flush the dirty eggs. Now let's brush the bottom of it. Gotta keep scrubbing. But you wake up, you gotta brush. It's turning white. It's really turning white. You see everyone? Now let's clean it. Like so. Gotta keep scrubbing. You can't stop of it. It's so white. It's so cute. Keep scrubbing. Do you want to have your tea like this red egg? You got to watch. Gotta do at 2 times. In the morning and in the night. At 2 times. Let me show you. We're brushing our teeth for 2 minutes. Now let's get started. Clean. Don't forget to brush your teeth. If you like the video, thumbs up If you like it so much, you can keep watching it. And but repeat that again. If you want to keep watching it, let your kid go to bed. Let you go to bed or wake up in the morning, brush your teeth all day. Pink heart, love you, bye.